Oh my god. That's a creepy ass dog. Look at that. Okay, we are cooking. What are we cooking? Let me turn this off. Oh my god. And it is 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Food is ready. I hope that's not too loud. Alright, let's take this out. Ooh. Okay. Close this. That concludes this episode of Cooking with Zach. This is not vlogging, this number 4. I'll get that to that later. I just want to pull out a quick video. Alright, but goodbye, guys.